it's a new tomorrow, so I guess I'll just believe it. Tomorrow never knows. I said no, I'm living in the forest of my dream. I know the night is most what it seems. It's believe I must believe in something, so I make myself believe in. Tonight will never go. Oh, oh, oh. Tingnan ko kung yung battery ko. Baka iwan na tayo ng battery ko. Thank you so much, guys. And only, please forget to go with the rest. Thank you so much, guys. Hindi natin maramdaman na Christmas na pala. Na malayo pa na tayo sa Ali, of course, thank you so much, Ali. Christian de Art, thank you so much, Ali. Gagawa muna ako ng aking highlights. Or, you know, Ma'am Shi. Thank you so much, guys. O, di ba? Nawili na naman ako, guys. Nawili na naman ako. Akalain mo lang kayo sa oras at kalahati na kagad. Ali, thank you so much, Ali, for staying there, Ali. Maybe a minute, I will end my life because it's already 10 o'clock. End my life. Thank you so much, 10 eyes. Thank you so much to you. And yeah. Anuhan ko lang muna, guys. Yan. Ayos, thank you so much. And 20 likes. Thank you so much sa inyo, guys. Alam lang po sa inyo. Thank you. And yeah. You're most welcome. Or if you have time, Ali, you just call. Okay. Or maybe you can message me, Ali. I'm too busy. That's why I don't remember. I forgot to message or call you because maybe I'm too busy in YT, in YouTube. Thank you so much. Ayan, ano natin. Oy, anuin ko lang muna ng konti kasi gagawa ko ng upload ko. Ano po? Kuya Ro, of course, thank you so much, Kuya Ro. Happy holidays, everyone. Sure, I will. Yeah. Thank you. Dali, anuin ko muna. Tapos gawa ako ng highlights. Okay. Okay, Gora. Kuya Rom, maraming salamat, Kuya Rom, ha. Ano bang handa natin dyan? Of course, maraming handaan ngayon sa Pilipinas. Ano mo? So, may handa-handa ngayon sa Pilipinas. Nori, anong handa niyo dyan ng Nori? Okay, kami wala lang. It's a normal days here. No Christmas. Normal days lang ang dito, January 25. Pero celebrate naman sila ng wala naman silang pasok ng January 1. Pero mga ganitong mga wala silang ganito. It's a normal days. Atin lang naman talagang masaya ang mga madlang people. Sobrang saya. Okay. Siyempre, thank you so much, Nori. Enjoy lang dyan, Le. Baka pwede padalhan mo ko dito ng macaroni salad. Thank you so much. Okay, yeah. Ang bilis na kayo sa oras at kalahati na kagad ako. Nori, thank you so much. Sino pa ba? Oh, of course, Miss Paulette. Thank you so much, Miss Paulette. Okay, sino pa ba? Nandito. Romeo, thank you so much, Romeo. Okay, isang oras at kalahati din. Thanks, Miss Mamshi. Yeah. Happy holidays, Miss Paulette. You know, here in Taiwan, there's no Christmas here. No Christmas. There's no celebrating of Christmas here in Taiwan because they have their own holidays. It's a normal days. Thank you. 13 eyes.